Hello friends, Srinivas here. Welcome back to our channel and to a new exciting session in Oracle Fusion. Today I have selected one topic that is called collaboration messaging. Recently it is introduced in Oracle Fusion where it's a messaging functionality or messaging tool where from Oracle Fusion has provided the capability to transmit our business documents through this collaborative or collaboration messaging tool to our trading partners like suppliers, right? So today we are going to discuss what is this collaboration messaging and how we can do the setup and configuration, right? And maybe I will take 2-3 different sessions to complete end-to-end flow with setups, configurations, and in this session I just want to just give you one overview of collaborative or collaboration messaging framework. In short name, it is called CMK. Right? So, guys, you can see here under the tool section, you can see one field. So that is called collaboration messaging. If you open it, you will see the complete dashboard for collaboration messaging. Right. So here, what happens? Whatever message we are transmitting through this messaging tool. So this will be visible here. What are the data transmitted? What are the data successful? Okay. What are the procure to pay outbound messages and inbound messages? What are the message count? So in the complete summary you can see here. Okay. So this is the collaboration messaging dashboard. So whatever inbound and outbound messages we are transmitting to trading partner or from trading partner, if anything is coming here, so this will be visible here. So let us go to my PPT and try to understand what is exactly collaboration messaging, right? So you can see here how it works. Basically, here you can see the Oracle application cloud. Okay. So here Oracle application cloud, suppose we are creating one purchase order, and we want to send that purchase order to our supplier, right? This purchase order is the messaging documents. Okay, so it can be message or document, and we want to send it through collaboration messaging. How it happens? This document, it will be transformation to a through collaboration messaging framework. This document will be uh, come to this tool, and through some web service, standard web service, it will move to the trading partners. Okay, but here the seeded service provider, we have to select here what kind of service provider we are selecting here, and in that service provider it will help to transmit the document to trading partners. So service partner or service provider is our supplier network or supplier business network, OSN. OSN is a service provider and it's a standard service provider available in Oracle Fusion. And we can use this service provider and take leverage of this to send the document to our trading partner from Oracle server. So what is the advantages of this functionality and why we can use it and why we should convince the client to use this functionality? Okay. So here you can see here enable the Oracle application cloud establish business to business messaging capabilities with trading partners. So through this collaboration messaging, the sending message in outbound message to trading partner is very easy. We don't need to customize anything here. Right? So there are standard B2B messaging capabilities available in Oracle Fusion. Okay, so you can send and receive real-time transactional message without building new SOA components. So that is very important because nowadays, if you want to send something or integrate something with outside partners, outside business tool, we need some customization. We need to use some of the intermediary service oriented architectures. Okay, but here everything is standard. Okay, everything is standard. We don't need to touch any kind of customizations or HOA components. Okay, so you can use the existing B2B functionality. So that is available in Oracle Cloud, and we need to do some server setups and port setups using the standard functionality, and we can exchange the message with the collaboration or collaborators like suppliers. So either directly or using a intermediary agency such as B2B service provider. So this B2B service provider, there are you can use the standard service provider like Oracle Business Network or Oracle Supplier Network or OSN. So this framework supports transmission of a B2B document such as purchase order between Oracle application cloud formats and an external message format supported by trading partners. So this kind of messaging capabilities, it will support the formats accepted by the supplier or our business. So you can send this message using this B2B document messaging capabilities. So we'll see each and every steps and setups how we can do it. Okay. So in this model, collaborating messaging framework or CMK, as I told you, it supports the Oracle supplier network. Justra firm, so most popular one is Oracle supplier network, or it's currently it is Oracle business network. So if you go to Google the Oracle Oracle supplier network. So Oracle Business Network, this is the service provider we can use for our CMK capabilities. Basically, this service provider acts as an intermediary between the trading partner and Fusion application customers. Okay. So here in Oracle Supplier Network or Oracle Business Network, both the trading partner, okay, the supplier and our organization need to register as a collaborator, right? And once the trading partner is onboarded to a service provider network, the partner can exchange message with the Fusion application client, right? So both the parties should be registered with the Oracle Business Network, and once we can send the message through collaboration messaging. So this message will be available in Oracle Business Network platform, and there the supplier also can see the message and documents, and they can receive the documents and do the net appropriate action. So setup requirement, you can one-time setup for buyer account in Oracle Supplier Network. As I showed, as I explained that the organization which is implementing the Oracle collaboration messaging, they need to register themselves into the Oracle Business Network. Okay, and we have to do the setup in the collaboration messaging framework. So that is, we can see in the setup and maintenance. So what are the setup needed in this collaboration messaging? And one-time setup for service provider delivery channel in B2B. So business to business channel platform, we need to do certain setups to transmit the document to the service provider. So that setup we'll see, and every supplier site for which the procure to pay messaging is to be enabled. So if you select the supplier, there is an option whether the supplier we are sending or is capable or enabled for Oracle collaboration messaging. So that in supplier site we need to enable so that the supplier will be a part of this messaging framework, and we can able to send message to that trading partner. So these are the setups, one-time buyer account setups, and the Fusion application customer must have an existing buyer account or must request for a new account. So this buyer account we have to create in Oracle, and then once the account is set up, make note of the ID. So it will be unique ID type, username and password will be provided by the Oracle OSN platform, and it is required when doing one time collaboration messaging setup. So whatever ID or identification code provided by the OSN, and that ID we need to set up in the collaboration messaging setup in Oracle Cloud. Okay. And again, we have to do the setups for manage collaboration messaging configuration, manage collaboration messaging service provider. So we'll see in setup and maintenance we can do these setups. Just I provided the screenshot here. What kind of setups? Basically, we need to send the identification numbers and what kind of documents we are going to send by using this tool. Either it's purchase agreement or purchase order, contract. So what kind of document and messaging you are going to send? So that you can identify here and set up. You can see here. Basically, this is the setup. If you go to FS and define collaboration messaging, manage collaboration messaging service provider. So service provider, basically we are using the OSN or Oracle Supplier Network. We just need to enable this and include it as our service provider. Then one-time B2B setup provider in delivery channel. So delivery channel is nothing but it's the registration URL. So Oracle Supplier Network will, once we register, so this URL will be provided by the Oracle, and that we need to set up here in our delivery channel setups. And there will be username and password. And once we are going to send any message or transmit any outbound message, so this delivery channel credential will be used, whether it's a production URL or test URL. It will identify and it will look for the username and password and it will send the message accordingly. So that we'll see how we can set up the delivery channel in B2B setup. And you can see CMK uses SO B2B for messaging with supplier network. So this SOA is inbuilt and no need of any customizations. This is standard SOA, and with all the front end setup and just providing your delivery channel setup, we can just configure the Oracle supplier network and trading partners. Once we do the testings and we can send the message into a test platform, and then we can, once it is successfully transmitted, and we can implement this into production. And recurring setup we have to do in Oracle supplier setup in Fusion. So in supplier side, actually we need to identify which supplier sites are enabled for collaboration messaging. Okay. So if you select any supplier, you can see here in B2B communication tab, you can see we need to enable B2B communication method. We have to select here collaboration messaging framework, right? All these setups we need to do one by one, and once the setup is complete, what is the flow? You need to create one purchase order and requisition and purchase order. You can either create manually or through SSP or self-service procurement. Once you create and the purchase order is approved, automatically through this this framework or collaboration messaging CMK tool, it will transmit the purchase order document and it will be available in Oracle Supplier Network. And the supplier which is registered as a trading partner or a collaborator in Oracle Business Network, they can able to access this purchase order document. And simultaneously, they can send a acknowledgement to the business that we have received the documents in Oracle Supplier Network. In next session, we will see how we can do the setups, how we can get registered into the Oracle Supplier Network, what are the setup required, and we'll see how the messaging is working in real time. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to get the latest update. Thank you.